I will now proceed to highlight key measures that will come into force from 22nd October 2020 until midnight 30 November 2020. The measures below will apply to all 14 regions of the country. 1. All travelers, including tourists, business travelers, and all Namibians and permit holders who arrived in Namibia with a negative PCR test result that is not older than 72 hours will be permitted to proceed to their final destination in the country. The requirement for the mandatory 5-day retest has been withdrawn. Number 2, all travelers who arrived in Namibia with a negative PCR test result that is older than 72 hours but not older than 7 days will be permitted to enter the country. However, they will be required to undergo 7 days supervised quarantine at home or tourism facility. In the event that these environments do not fulfill quarantine requirements, the travelers will be placed under mandatory government quarantine facilities at own cost. 3. Non-Namibians who do not present a negative COVID-19 PCR test result will not be granted entry into the country. 4. Returning Namibian citizens or permit holders may enter the country with or without a COVID-19 PCR test result. In the event such persons present a positive test result or no result at all, they will be subjected to mandatory quarantine and testing or isolation after arrival. This provision shall also apply to aircraft and marine vessel crew members, humanitarian aid workers, essential service providers, as well as operators and drivers of cross-border transport vehicles who arrived in the country without the requisite test. 5. Restrictions on passenger numbers in public transport, private vehicles, and group tour operators are herewith lifted. This means vehicle occupancy can revert to the respective carrying capacities of a particular vehicle. However, drivers, passengers, and operators are required to continue taking the necessary precautions. 6. In line with the African Union's Saving Lives, Economies, and Livelihood campaign, Namibia will continue to harmonize the reopening of borders and resumption of full economic and social activities. To this end, Namibia will gradually reopen borders on a reciprocal basis and resume social activities, including contact sport activities, and resume face-to-face instruction for tertiary institutions and schools where social distancing is feasible. 7. The limitation to the number of persons permitted at public gatherings shall be increased to the maximum of 200 persons until 30th November 2020. 8. The protocols of COVID-19 burials will be conducted as per previous regulations. Fellow Namibians, the above-mentioned measures are aimed at ensuring an effective and robust response to COVID-19 in our country.